Hi, I chose to do number 15 for my explanation. The problem reads, over the universe of books, define the propositions B of x such that x has a blue cover, M of x such that x is a mathematics book, U of x such that x is published in the United States, and R of xy, the bibliography of x includes y. So for the first one, it says there's an element of x which not b of x, and it has to translate that to words. So A says there exists a book that does not have a blue cover. For the second one, B, it says for all x, M of x, and U of x implies B of x. So this is going to translate to for all books, if there's a math book published in the USA, then it has a blue cover. For C, there is an element, there exists an M of x and not B of x, which translates to there exists a math book that doesn't have a blue cover. For D, there exists a y for all of x such that M of x implies R of x, y. So this one gets a little trickier, and it says there exists a book with a bibliography of all math books. And moving on to E, so express using quantifiers. Every book with a blue cover is a mathematics book. So we start off with for all of x because we see the word every that begins the sentence. For all of x, B of x implies M of x. So for all x, book with a blue cover implies that it's a math book, which is kind of stated backwards there, but it's the same meaning. And then for F, so expressed using quantifiers, there are mathematics books that are published outside the United States. So this is going to go for number F. For there exists an x such that B of x and not U of x. So B of x being that it's a math book, and U of x being that it's published outside of the United States. Which I kind of just realized that should be M of x. So fix that, and then for G, not all books have bibliographies. So for this one, while it seems really simple, there are two things kind of going on there. So we start off with there exists an x that's such that B of x and not R of xy. B of x being that it is a book, and the second part, not R of xy, saying that it does not have a bibliography.